Oh my god.
Ah! His reaction is so slow. Like he don't really have one.
Oh! Oh!
What? This kid is too goofy. This nigga's goofy as fuck, nigga. Look at that shit.
I never seen a nigga bad at basketball.
Oh my god, what
Get
is
the
this?
fuck!
Watch out, nigga.
No, nigga.
What do you get it? Nigga, you better watch out.
Nigga, you better go me.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
What is going on, bro?
He just got mad because I was playing basketball.
No.
He just got up on him for no reason.
Chill out with that, bro. What's wrong with you?
Right.
Right.
We're just
We playing basketball. I'll chill out. I got you.